Hello, my diaries. Hello. Muripo it up. Can I my love my likes? Kuratidzo ti muripo. Welcome, my diaries. Ndruko good and bad news. And I'm going to be sharing with you today. So, unfortunately, I was supposed to be having an interview na Mukoma Masimba kuma 4 p.m. But unfortunately, kwaitika dambudziko kusaidi kwavo. So what we are going to do is we're going to postpone the show. Atisku cancela, tisha postpone. So it's either tinenge chizoita pa weekend pano or tinenge takuzoita next week during the week. So ndenge chingo kukeepa updated. So yes, I'm very sorry for that. Paitika dambudziko ratisingakwanisi kuchinja, ratisingakwanisi kuavoida, but then tichange takuzoningirikina takuzopostponed. I hope mandinzwisisa. And then of course every Friday ndinenge ndichiya pano, but nhasi handisi kukwanisa kuita live show because I'm going to be celebrating birthday rangu. Saka patizoita ma1 and later on Sis Melly vachange vari pano neshow. So I hope munenge muchizonzwisisa. I hope manzwisisawo zvandataura, and I hope you're not offended or you're not so disappointed about this case. So I'm very sorry for that. My apologies. Muri kundinzwa here? Pane vari kutitaurisa sha, muri kunyatsondinzwa here? Saka kune vachiri kubva kusvika. Mukoma Masimba havasi available today, vabatwa nedambudziko. Saka live show yedu, interview yandandaplana navo about drug abuse, tichange tichizoipostpona because zvaitika kusaidi kwawoko, we cannot avoid it. So yeah, tichange chipostponed. It's either tinenge takuzoita pa weekend or during the week next week. So and thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Thank you. So yeah, guys, I hope you understand, and I hope you're not so disappointed about today. I'm very sorry about that. I'm very sorry. Tanya, urikuti hatina kunzwa. Ndati nhasi hatichakwanisi kuita interview na Mukoma Masimba because vabatwa nedambudziko, but tichapostpone show yedu interview yedu. So yeah, Anzi, so what happened? Ipapo, I cannot really tell you guys what happened kusaidi kwavo because I don't think I don't want to be sharing my private issues but yes, tichange chizotaura later on this weekend or next week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming in. Tinozoonana papaya, and I will tell you guys kuti tinenge chitanga nguvai and on what day. So thank you so much for coming in. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye.